Hello, friends. Welcome back. You just took your brain break after you remember, you were supposed to answer the question in Flipgrid or in your journal and insert the image on that slide. Now you've taken your brain break and you're ready to be a listener once again. So listen carefully as Miss Spears talks about why speaking in complete sentences is important. We are going to have some speaking goals in this module. And one of our speaking goals is to speak in complete sentences. So discover with Miss Spears, why is speaking in a complete sentence important? Here we go.
We just talked about how the white mouse was able to put all the clues together to figure out what the complete object was, and the complete object was an elephant. Now, let's think about complete sentences and why speaking in complete sentences is important. As we work through Module 2 together, speaking in complete sentences is going to be one of your speaking goals for this module. And when people speak or write in complete sentences, they are expressing complete thoughts. So when you speak in a complete sentence, others can more easily understand what you are saying. In order to think about speaking in complete sentences, we must first understand what I mean when I say complete. Complete means having all the pieces needed. For example, if you wanted a sandwich but had jelly and no bread, you couldn't make a complete sandwich. So in order for a sentence to be complete, it must contain certain things. It must have a subject, which tells who or what the sentence is about, and it must state a verb, and a verb is something that states action. When you speak in complete sentences, it allows others to have a conversation with you. So we're going to practice with some examples. Are you ready? I'm going to give you an example of a complete sentence and an incomplete sentence about a grasshopper. Okay, here's one. Grasshoppers. Does that sound like it's missing something? Think about it. Grasshoppers. Does that sound like it's missing something? Tell your learning partner. I'm sure you said it is. It is missing the action. So let me try again. Grasshoppers jump around. Now that's a complete sentence because the sentence is about grasshoppers and the action is them jumping, and they're jumping around. Let's try a few more. Eat grass. Eat grass. What's missing? Tell your learning partner. I'm sure you said it. The subject is missing. We don't know who or what is eating grass. So here's the complete sentence. Grasshoppers eat grass. Okay, let's try one more. Hide in the grass. Again, that is missing the subject. And in this case, the subject is grasshoppers. So the complete sentence is grasshoppers hide in the grass. Okay, now I'm going to give you an example of a complete and an incomplete sentence about a mouse. Here's one. Ran. Think. Does it have an action? Tell your learning partner. Does it have an action? I'm sure you said it. Yes, ran, but it's missing the subject because we don't know who ran or who is running. Let's try another one. The mouse ran. Is that a complete sentence? Tell your learning partner. I'm sure you said yes because that has a subject, which is the mouse, and a verb or an action, which is ran. So the mouse ran is a complete sentence because it has a subject and an action or verb. Now that you've had a chance to practice some complete and incomplete sentences, I want you to think, Why is speaking in complete sentences important? Share with your learning partner. Here's what I think. Speaking in complete sentences is important so that other people can have a conversation with you and can understand what you are saying. All right, awesome first graders. Nice job closely looking at the mice's actions and learning how to speak in complete sentences. Next time, we'll continue working with the story 7 Blind Mice. Until then, be kind and do something great because you are capable of greatness.